You're probably doing a lot of online meetings right now. So I've got today a professional director and actor to share with you principles that he's taking from the acting world to help you show up your very best for the people you're interacting with. These are tips to up your game in real life and on the screen. We talked a little bit in a previous conversation about how to show up as our best selves in this day and age when everything's virtual and we've become TV stars instead of real life actors. What are your top pointers for how we can do that?
When you're a TV actor, the little frame is all I see. So I can't see your cool shoes. I can't smell what perfume you wore. I can't feel the environment of the room. It is scary. It's like, why I have an advantage as a TV actor, Lisa, is that we're trained to look in the camera. And at the same time, I can see that you're nodding and smiling.
Yeah.
So we are used to looking in the camera and having cue cards on either side or a producer on either side. So we're used to looking in the camera and having an awareness throughout. So what I've been helping leaders to do, it's not natural to look in the camera. You see, right now I'm looking at you. So when I look at you, what you see in the camera is not a pretty picture at all. And it makes the audience feel actually like I'm distracted. Whereas when I look here, now I'm actually making eye contact with you. Mm-hmm. So as leaders in this virtual world, our self-awareness about micro-messaging actually becomes more important than in person. Because I have to be a set designer, a lighting designer, and a costume designer. Like your frame right now is superb. The lighting is excellent. I can see you. If you notice the group that we did together, 2 people, you could barely see them. Mm-hmm. That's because they weren't good lighting designers today. Well, who taught us how to do that at leadership school? Yeah, you have to be a lighting and you have to be a costume designer. Like you show up looking professional today. Mm-hmm. Online, they're trying to sell us pajamas to do our presentations in. No, you have to be appropriately costumed. And then what's behind you? See, what I love about your set is it's interesting without upstaging you. Uh-huh. I'm not a fan of the fake backdrops. I'm not a fan of busy. What I like about yours is there's a plant, there's an interesting thing that I don't know what it is, and then there's a bookcase. I kind of like that. And it gives you texture, it gives you a place, an environment to flourish and live, and you become more authentic. Yeah. So if we're cognizant of those 3 things as we start, do you remember when the Starbucks cup was found in the Game of Thrones frame? It was front page news last year. Everybody was talking about it. Everything's a Starbucks cup. We're all in Game of Thrones. And if that anachronistic Starbucks cup is there, we see it. So people think they can pick up their phone and do this in this new normal. Less so. Mm-hmm. I see you looking away. I need you right there. So heightened energy, not less energy, more energy and commitment to the camera, maximum focus, understanding the micro messages that are all around you, and constantly honoring the people at the other end of the camera, calling them by name, noticing their behavior, giving them feedback about their excellence during the meeting. All those things are not optional, virtual. They're essential.
Thank you, Michael. You just did all the things that you've described because we just got out of a long workshop that you were outputting a lot of energy to conduct, and then you took time to share additionally and bring your energy to another gift to me. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate you.